Welcome to the Hilton Milan, a luxury four-star hotel located in the center of Milan. Today we'll be taking you on a tour of the hotel and its facility. Come on, let's go see what that looks like.
We're staying in a king executive room at the Hilton Milan. So we're going to show you what the room looks like and the various amenities the room has to offer. So the entrance of the room features a wardrobe on the right side. The wardrobe is quite massive, like there's adequate storage space for your luggages, yeah? And in the wardrobe, we actually have two bathrobes that come with the room, hair dryer, there's an iron and an ironing board. So this part of the room has a refrigerator here, and there are also amenities for tea here as well. There's a kettle here, we've got complimentary water and some tea mugs. So next to the fridge is the working station, which doubles as a makeup station. Here you have a chair, a reading lamp. There are provisions for charging spots here as well, and then there's a white surface area which you can work with. Next to this is a massive television which makes the room feel comfortable. So this part of the room features a sitting area where there's a couch here which you can use to relax, and then there's also a table here as well, and it makes the room more relaxing. So the room features a king size bed. It feels really comfortable, right? And then there are 4 pillows which are quite fluffy. On both sides of the bed we've got bedside lamps, and then there's a clock on the right side of the bed, and on both sides we have cups which of course can be used for drinking water, and there are also spots for charging your devices as well, so that also makes it a bit more convenient. We have a full-length mirror which can be used for getting ready, and then on the left we have the door leading to the bathroom, which I'm going to show you now. The bathroom, first impressions, very clean, right? There's a big mirror here which actually has good lighting. Generally the lighting in the bathroom is excellent. The bathroom features some luxury bath amenities, okay? Then we've got face towels, hand towels, and we've got toilet seats. There's also a bidet here, and yeah, the flush mechanism is here. We've got some toilet papers and sanitary disposable wipes. The bathroom comes with a bathtub. There's a handheld shower, and we've got more towels, body towels, and then there's a shower curtain here as well. So you know what, the bathroom is really very clean, and I'm going to show you the rest of the hotel.